Your sewing machine needs a quick clean? Let me show you how I do it. Step 1. First, unplug the machine. Remove the needle, presser foot, and bobbin. Step 2. Use a small brush or makeup brush to remove lint and dust, especially under the needle plate and bobbin area. Step 3. Wipe the outside with a soft cloth. For stubborn spots, a damp cloth works best. Step 4. Don't forget to check your manual before oiling it, depends on your machine model. Please like and subscribe.